Welcome to our Tarot Tip series, How to Read Tarot Cards. Be sure to watch the whole video for Tarot Decks for Beginners to help you find the right deck to get you started. And stay to the end for the collective tarot card reading.
Yes, this series is an introduction to our comprehensive tarot training courses.
And make sure that you catch all the videos in this series in the link below for all the juicy tarot goodness.
Whatever level you are, from beginner to advanced, we always bring something valuable to help you grow and improve your practice.
And for those of you who are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you are watching from.
If you have any questions as we go, be sure to drop them in the comments.
Now, many people will say that the traditional French deck is the easiest and most intuitive. And I would say yes and no. It is really easy for someone who already has a good feel for flow and intuition. But if your left brain gets in the way of your right brain, the abstract intuitive brain, we recommend the Rider-Waite to not only start with, but to keep as a gold standard for all other decks. It holds the most true to the most puristist tarot language, and every card has a picture to boot. So,
yeah, there's always that. There is one modern deck we love that will more resonate with our current symbols and pictures, and that we think holds true to the symbols and pure meanings of the tarot language than many other tarot decks today outside of the Rider-Waite deck, and that deck is the Light Seers deck. You see, just because you make a tarot deck doesn't mean that its symbols are on point. You might miss parts of the full tarot story.
Yes. So, and I've seen this card out there when I see a Knight of Cups holding a sword. But he's not that kind of a knight, right?
So our final advice today is to start simple. Save things like the Aleister Crowley Thoth deck for after you are confident in the basics, because honestly, you're just going to get confused and frustrated.
Get a deck that resonates with you and learn it alongside the writer. Think of the Rider deck like the Star Trek Universal Translator, but for tarot.
Yep, it's a tarot translator.
Yep.
Now it's time for the collective tarot card reading. We're going to pull a card for the collective. If this resonates with you, drop it in the comments and let us know.
So I'm going to fan out my cards. And
it's time to break out the fans.
I'm going to fan them out, and I'm going to see what card is peeking out. So I have pulled for us the King of Cups. And as a collective, I want to talk about this energy. The King of Cups is a loving father figure. He's not the King of Swords. He's not the King of Wands. He's not who's the other king? He's not the King of Pentacles.
Wands, Pentacles. Yep. Who's the other king?
The King of Cups is a loving, wise father figure. He is a leader. He is someone who is here to guide you in love.
Right.
The King of Cups may appear to have a little bit of an ego, but not so much that it inflicts its will on other people.
Right. The King of Cups is also about doing the right thing for the right reason.
Right. So the King of Cups comes from love, and what he does is motivated for community and the love of the community. So he's very much a person that expresses his heart. So the King of Cups, as a guiding force for us coming forward in this moment, is a good energy to have. Now, in the last video, we pulled the reverse Empress. And so the King of Cups, and our challenge is to correct that energy in our culture. So the King of Cups energy coming in is very good for us as a collective. The Cups is about our ability to govern our emotions. How well are we governing our emotions? Are we letting our emotions get in the way of healthy relationships? Are we letting ego get in the way? When you got this guy in reverse, there's a lot of corrupt emotions, and you're not operating from that. But this is upright. Mm-hmm. So I feel like we're coming into a place where we may be able to govern our emotions, treat each other with respect.
Step into that healthy father element, that healthy father energy.
Wise governing entity, which could be your inner King of Cups, governing emotions, self-mastery of emotions. And I think that is super important. And yes, it comes off of the reverse Empress. Mm-hmm. With the reverse Empress, we're not mastering our emotions.
Right.
They're all over the place. We're feeling guilt and insecurity and lashing out and pitting each other against each other's emotions and you know.
So this to me speaks to becoming a better father figure for yourself with healthy emotions. Use those healthy emotions as a resource to take yourself to the next level.
So really the message for us as a collective is let's work on mastering our emotions,
Right.
So that we can govern them in a good way that brings us community. Because kings are about community.
Right.
They're about, kings are about creating a safe environment, a safe community for the king's people.
For the collective.
For the collective, it really is, where the collective can thrive. So the king, that's the king's responsibility. The King of Cups does it through communication of love, governing of emotions, and helping people emotion together well in a good way. King of Cups sets an example of how to master your emotions and to be tactful and ethical and loving in your expressions towards each other.
How to experience a healthy emotional baseline.
Yes.
And if you do that for yourself, you become the model for those around you, for the collective. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of tarot basics.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about 3 of the best tarot card decks you should own and why.
Absolutely. And if you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, C.Ht Academy, where you can connect with our chosen family of like minds, take advantage of PhD-backed education and weekly practices with tarot being just one example where you can level up your skills with our comprehensive tarot training, as well as advanced mediumship training, psychic development, and self-growth from wherever you are in the world. Just click the link in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies that we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos like
Be
this,
sure to subscribe.
and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
So you're the first to know.
when we drop a new video.
Or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We absolutely honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more, be sure to binge on all of these videos. We have so much amazingness for you. Check it out. You can find out where they are. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
See you next video.